very expensive side marker, if not the most expensive side marker ever. This is me from the future. Well, it turns out it wasn't the RGB. The seller sent me the wrong one. This is the white new design. I hope you enjoy, I hope you like it. So first, let's do the unboxing right here. Now I already unboxed it, I already saw it because I didn't know if it has some sensitive files, you know, I need to protect. So here they are, this is how they come. This is the code that you use to connect to your phones. But these are the babies right here. These are worth $2.5 billion. So here they are. Oh, look at that. Let me just look at it. So let's connect these. Let's see how it looks on a G. Okay, so let's talk about the cons that I see with these. These tend to be a little bit loose. As you can see, they're a little bit loose on the bumper. Now, with my other ones, they are very snug fit, and I don't have to do anything. I actually have to shave down the bumper inside so it can fit inside. They're in there. The other con I see is that these are modded to the butt right here. So the connector is hanging there. So if it comes loose here, then it will disconnect. This side, for some reason, is very sensitive to this thing. Like it has to be like all the way in to turn on. So that's why it's better to have it made so it can go inside the actual housing and holds it there. And pros, as you can see, they look great and they're super bright. All right, so the inside looks like this. I know you guys can see it really good, but I zip tied everything in there, and I have easy access to the port right here. So if it gets loose or something, I can disconnect the connector right there. So that's how the inside looks. Put the double-sided tape under here. Gorilla double-sided tape. If you don't have one, I'll link in the description. That's a free way to help out the channel as well. So it's nice and snug in there. If I need to, I'll probably put another one on top here, like in the inside. But I think it's good enough there. I feel confident to go to the highway on this thing. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys like it. Now, you tell me, is it worth the 23 bucks? Let me know in the comment section below. Or would you keep the other that I had before? I had the line in the middle and turns white, or the other one that just stays yellow and that's it. So I will try to get the RGB for the next video coming up. Until next time, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up.